Using straight, square wood makes woodworking more fun and your projects turn out better. The process of machining your own wood straight, square can be fun as well. The process starts at the joiner where we machine one wide face flat and true. Taking a number of light passes rather than one or two heavy passes lets you sneak up on the amount of wood that actually needs to be removed to get the board flat. Next, we take the wide face that we just jointed flat, put that against the fence, and joint one of the edges so that's true and square. Just joint one of the edges. The other edge has to be trimmed on the table saw. Now we mark the wide face that we jointed with an A and the edge that we just jointed with a B. Now we can go ahead and use this to go to the table saw and trim off the edge C and make that parallel to B. Put the jointed wide surface A on the table and the jointed edge B against the fence. Then we can use the saw to rip the other edge C so that it's parallel with B. Then we go back to the joiner and take one or two light passes on the freshly sawn edge C just to make sure that it's straight and clean up any saw marks. I keep my joiner set to remove about a 1/64 of an inch per pass and one or two passes after the table saw cleans that edge up. At the planer, we put the wide face A that we jointed earlier on the planer's table. That lets the planer's knives above cut the final surface D so that it's parallel to the surface A below. At the same time, that makes sure that the board is consistent in thickness over its full length. At this point, all four sides are straight, true, and square, so you can continue planing it until get it down to the thickness that you need for your project, and the board is done. Using your machines properly and in the right sequence lets you prepare lumber that makes your woodworking easier, more accurate, and more attractive.